Hello. Hey Noble, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Hi, how are you doing?
I'm doing good.
You're doing
What
good. So how was your day?
was good? I had some classes. To,
Mm-hmm. Okay. You had some classes and
I just ate.
uh, all right, very well. So congratulations for signing up to our course here. And I'm pretty sure you're gonna have a lot of fun. There's going to be a lot of learning, a huge learning curve coming up for you. So I need you to be active throughout the sessions and everything. And in every class, like we will be learning how to build websites. We'll be learning about different HTML tags. You'll be learning about different types of CSS properties and all of the other things like that, right?
Yep.
Okay. Now, just so we recall, can you tell me what all happened in our demo session?
We learned about CSS and HTML.
Yes. Can you tell me what's HTML?
HTML
In your own words, like whatever you remember from the demo, like you can tell me.
HTML is used for it's
Mm-hmm.
used for helping to build a website.
Yes, that's correct. And
It has many tags, elements which are used for different types.
that is correct. Yes. And what about CSS?
CSS it helps. It also has some different tags with attributes, and it has different gives different operations.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's not quite correct. CSS does not have tags, my dear. CSS has properties, right? We add styling with CSS. Remember?
Yeah,
Okay, let's just do one thing.
with the
Let's
color
just
and
start.
all.
Let's just start over again. You seem to forget everything. Like you seem to have been forgotten everything. I'll do one thing. I'll quickly revise what is HTML, what is CSS, and then we can start with our project today. Okay. All right. Let's start with HTML first. HTML stands for. Let me type it over here.
Hypertext markup
Hypertext
language.
markup. Very good. So you know that. LNGUG. Yep. Hypertext markup language. Actually, HTML. Why do we use HTML? We use HTML because we want to add content to our website, right? Whenever you want to add anything, like let's say a heading or a photograph, a video, or some bullet point or anything, right? Whatever content you have to add for your website, that is done by using your HTML, right? Pretty simple. Now, if you have to add something like, let us say, a style to your website, right? Like a background color or a border to your website, or if not a border, let us say you want to add some transition to it, change the color, change the size, change the font. So many properties, like add spacing. So all of these things can be done by using your
CS.
CSS,
Yeah.
right? Now, can you tell me what CSS stands for?
I haven't learned about that yet.
Okay. Okay, listen. CSS stands for, I'll type it over here, Cascading Style Sheets, right? We know what HTML stands for. So you should also know what your CSS stands for, right? CSS stands for cascading. I'm sorry, I mistyped the spelling. Cascading. This is the correct spelling. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. Now, yeah, CSS basically is used to add styles to your web page. All right, HTML is like the skeleton. CSS is like a style. All right. Now let me tell you what we are going to be doing today. Today we are going to be building a website of Avengers. Not necessarily Avengers. We can actually pick up any movie. Any movie you want to suggest me that you like.
No, it's fine. We can go with Avengers.
Avengers is fine, right? Okay. So what we will do is we will learn to add a proper heading. We will add a background to the web page. We will also learn how to add a link. How to add a link to your website. Okay, and we will learn how to add bullet points. All right. I will first show you the output, what it looks like. Let me share my screen and show you the output first. Okay. One moment. How do I share it? एक minute, I'll do one thing. I'll share the entire second screen of mine. Uh, it should be loading here.
Yeah, I can see it.
You can see, right? Like this is our code. Not worry about this entire paragraph. You can copy paste that. It is just some random text, not random text, actually valid text of your movie Avengers that can be copy pasted. This is what we are going to be coding. I'll tell you what all of these things are. This is our CSS, and this is our output. Like if I click on this link here, watch the amazing trailer over here. If I click on this link, then oh, okay, 1 minute. I have to open the new tab. If I open this link over here, you can see that it is taking me to a different website. So that is actually the trailer of the movie. Then we have the contents. Ignore this part. It's just some extra part of the experiment before you join the class. This is the main content, like content as in like music, plot, cast, production, and then we have actors. You can keep on adding as many actors' name as you want, right? So this is the website that we are going to be learning today. All right.
Yep.
Okay. Now I will do one thing. I'll create a new pen. Okay, or else 1 minute. I'll just share my screen, share my disk screen over here, and I'll watch you over this side. One moment. Stop presenting. So you have a proper idea, right, as to what we are going to be doing?
Yeah.
Yep. Okay, let me share my screen now. I'll share my entire screen with you. Yeah. Can you tell me what's there on my screen?
Yeah, I can see the code pen.
Code pen, right? Yes, very good. Also, 1 minute. Your webcam is on, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Now I can see you. Chalo. I'll go to the pen section. I'll not be saving my project though. I don't want to save it because like I have so many of them. I mistakenly saved it while teaching and they just keep on piling up. So I don't want repeated purchase in my profile. So I will not be saving it, but you will have to save it, however. Right. So what I will do, first of all, let us say I start with the HTML part. So tell me which is the first tag that we use in every project of our HTML.
HTML tag.
Very good. HTML. I'm going to open it and I'm going to close it here itself. Now inside the HTML tag, I'll start the main code. I'll take my body tag because I want my entire content to be in the body of my web page. Now inside this body tag, okay, this is basic. This what I did just now will be there in our each and every single program. We will have HTML, we will have body, right? So okay, now you can also change the name. Okay, like you can change it Avengers. Avengers. I'll not do it because I don't want to do it. Okay, I think it got saved. Shit. Anyways, no, not a big deal. Now, now what I will do is I am going to give it a heading. What was my heading?
Avengers Endgame.
Yes, that is absolutely correct. Avengers Endgame. Isn't that right? So
Mm.
since it is my heading, right? Now you can see if I type it normally, it is like yeah, Avengers Endgame. It's like normal over here. Now I wanted to be like more good. I wanted to look more better. So what I
H1.
will do? Yes, yeah. I think you saw it there, right? I was like coding H1. Yeah, that's correct. I will use a header tag, right? Because I want it to look better. I want it to look bigger. Okay, I'll also draw a straight line over there. So what do you think should be used to draw a straight line? I taught this to you in your demo class.
Sorry.
What do you think has to be used to draw a straight line? I did teach you that in a demo class, remember? It's okay if you don't remember, but I want you to try. A
I
straight line. I
forgot.
want to. Okay, no problem. See, that's why we have right. That's why we have these sessions, and you are going to be learning. And it's also like you don't have to remember as long as you know that some tag exists. You can just Google it quickly, and it can be done. Okay. Now after that, what I will do is I'll type a HR tag over here like this. So if I type HR, so it is going to give me like a straight line over here. Uh, Okay. After I do my HR tag, you will now see that I have typed a paragraph over here. Can you see this?
Yes.
Right. So now I'll open my Wikipedia. Not Wikipedia. Okay, you can just type Avengers Endgame if you want. Avengers Endgame, and you can just go to the Wikipedia. Over here, you can take the entire paragraph if you want. I'll just take the first paragraph. Okay. You can take 10 paragraphs if you want. It's not a big deal. But I'm just going to take one paragraph. Now, what I will do is I'll use a p tag. Since it's a paragraph, I can type it normally. Okay, I can type it normally. It will just come there. But I will prefer using a paragraph tag. So I'll just put a p tag over here. P. I'll close the p tag slash p. So p tag stands for paragraph. Okay, and then I'll paste it over here. So there will not be a much difference in the output, but it will help you to modify your CSS, right? Like if you want to select that particular text, so how will
Yeah.
I select it? I have to select a tag, right? That is why I'll use a paragraph tag. Okay. Now, 1 minute. Array, why is it going? Huh. I was just going to give a tab here. Like this. Screw it. It's not taking. Anyways, now if you see over here, some of the words are bold, right? Like, do you know bold, italics, and everything?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. So you can see this is italics. This is italics. And also, like, okay, I'll take one more paragraph, right? Now, since these are two paragraphs, where is my code here? See, if I paste it over here, this is the second paragraph, okay, mind you. If I paste it over here, I can still see it combined. I can still see it mixed. So that is why I'll not paste the paragraph over here. I'll just remove it. I'll just remove the paragraph. And I'll come outside my p tag. Right? This is my first paragraph. So my first paragraph gets completed over here. I will now open another paragraph. Okay, I will now open another paragraph and I'll paste it over here. And then this will be my second paragraph, right? So you see, we have a gap over here. We could have even used br tag, but no, I don't want to do that. I want a paragraph to be like a separate paragraph. Correct? Now
Yeah.
you will know why I'm doing this further. Like we are going to be using something called as ID classes. Yes, about all of these things we will be learning further. So that is why I'm using separate paragraphs. You will know why. BR also can be used starting stage here, starting stage itself. Like you can use BR. Also, do you know Hindi by any chance?
Yeah. Little.
Yeah, no. Like sometimes I tend to use
Yeah.
Hindi
It's fine.
words.
It's fine. It's fine.
Uh, it's like I have a lot of Indian kids these days. It's like I haven't taught kids in the western side or UAE side. So I have been teaching a lot of Indian kids nowadays. So like I converse with them in Hindi. They are more
Yeah.
comfortable in Hindi.
I know Hindi.
Yeah. So just bear with me. Sometimes I might like slip. My tongue might slip and like I'm not using English Hindi words. Yeah. Anyways, getting back over here, it's a really very simple website. Now that I have my paragraph, I'll show you how to add like a bold text or how to add italics or how to underline a particular text. Let us say Avengers Endgame. My very first word. Okay, my very first word. I want it to be underlined.
Is it a U tag?
Yes, you are correct. Yes. 1 minute. Yeah, I'll come over here. U slash U. Uh, I'll show you all of them over here. So look at this. Avengers Endgame is here. If I use U tag, it will be like underline. If I use B tag, it will be like over here. It will be completely bold. B slash B, right? Whatever comes inside the B tag will be over here. If I use something like I, that is my
Italic?
italics. Yes, I for italics. So you can see it is now in italic size, right? Now before I proceed, I want you to try this out. Chalo, share your screen. I am slightly having internet issues. Let me just restart my Wi-Fi. All right, let me just restart my Wi-Fi. I'll be disconnected
Yeah.
for like just 2 minutes. In the meantime, you can type this thing. Okay, there is some lag. Like I can see you lag a lot. Let me restart my Wi-Fi and internet. One moment. Right, I'm back. Can you share your screen?
Yeah,
Yes.
I have started.
Yes, I can see your screen. Yeah, very good. Avengers Endgame. Okay. Now you will have to like go to the Wikipedia page and then just get some text from there.
Is this correct?
Yes, it's correct. You can copy that.
Yeah.
Right. Yes. Yes. Now I want you to use two separate p tags. I think you have used two separate p tags. Go back to your page.
Yeah, I have used two
Yes.
separate p
Now I
tags.
want you to add at least three bold tags, three italic tags, and two underline tags. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Very good. You can use it anywhere. Yes. That is correct.
Three of each, right?
Yeah. Three of each. Yes, very good. I think you have one, two, three bold tags. Very good. You can now use three italic tags. Yes, that is nice. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Now
Yes,
underline tag.
yes, yes. Underline tag one.
Yeah, done.
Nice, nice. Okay, right. Now that part is done. Okay, very well. We will now proceed for the next part.
Should I
That
stop
is,
sharing?
yeah, you can stop sharing. Okay, now what I will do, I'll share my screen. You can see my screen, right, Noble?
Yeah.
Okay, that is done. Now the next part is a really very important part. That is how to add a link. How to add a link to it, right? So what I will do, a href equals. I'm sorry, you haven't learned this tag. Yeah. So to to actually add a link, right? Whenever you want to add a link, what we do, we use something called as anchor tag. Now, what is this anchor tag? We write it like this: a. Okay, open it and we close it. Now, inside this, you can write any text, right? Any text, so like click here, right? Now, often we have a option, right? Like an underlined thing like that says click over here to visit the link. So that text, whatever text you have now, that you can type over here. Now, how do I actually insert the link? Right, inserting the link is really important. So how do I do it? The first thing you do to insert a link is that you actually go and find the link. So what I'll do is I'll go to my YouTube. 1 minute, let me just go to my YouTube and let me just find Avengers Endgame trailer. Right, so this is the Avengers Endgame trailer. I am gonna copy it and okay, wow, nostalgia. Anyways, coming back to our class, what I will do is hit like href, yes, yeah, and then I'll paste my link over here. So now if you see, it's got like something underlined and it's become like blue color, right? Just after I did that, right?
Yeah.
So that is because my link has now been inserted.
So you don't need to type slash a href.
Uh, no, href is like a property that is like reference, right? H reference. You don't really need to like what H stands for. I don't know what H stands for, but ref is like a reference. Href is like reference. Reference to what? Reference to this particular link, right? And so like when you click here, it goes to that link. Not only like this link, you can put literally anything else. Like let's say Amazon.com, Amazon.com, some cart. Okay, I don't know why do I have this in my cart. Anyways, like you can copy that and you can paste that link over here. So if I paste that link over here, you can see it gets updated. I'm closing this tab. If I now click on this link, it will take me to the new tab of my Amazon back over here, right? So
Yeah.
I don't want Amazon link. I want Avengers ka trailer. So if I again click on this link over here, like after refreshing, if I click, it takes me back to my video, right? That is how you add a link. Now, I'm not going to type click here. I'm going to type something like relevant, like watch
Watch Avenger
the amazing trailer over here. You can type anything, right? You can type anything. Okay. Now, after that is done, I will have a paragraph tag /p. Now, inside this paragraph tag, I'm basically going to be adding a heading that is going to be underlined. You remember we had in the output screen that says contents and it was underlined. So what I will do is I will have my bold, I will have my underline over here, and I will type contents. So /u and /b. Note that it must be closed in the order that you're opening it. Like first B and then U. So you have to first close U and then you have to close B. Understood?
Yeah.
It's like this. Like you open a flower bracket, then you open a square bracket, then you open like a round bracket or something like that, right? So this round bracket has to be closed first, right? Then your square bracket, then your flower bracket, just like we have in our mathematics. If you go like more precise, according to board mass, this is the biggest one. Then we have this. Then we have this. So it goes like this again. This, and this. So make sure to close the brackets in their sequence. In this case, it is tags. So I'm first closing my U tag, then I'm closing a B tag. If I don't do it, it will kind of get messed up. Like you can see, like it gets like kind of messed up. It will not give you the proper output. So we don't want to do that. That is why I'll just add over here, add to it as in a proper sequence. Very well. Now, once this is done, this is my heading. Now, under my contents, you saw that I had something like music, post, cast, sorry, plot, cast, production, and all of these things. Now, what I will do is ol/ol. What is ol? Ordered list, right? If you see my output, let me just get my output over here. One moment. See this. You can see the output: music, plot, cast, production.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I want numbers over here. That is why it's an ordered list. Ordered, right? Ordered list. Like it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Ordered list. So that is why I'm using OL. Now li/li. What is li? Li is
List.
list item. Yes. Li is list item. So inside this, I can type music. Now, if you want to add one more list item, I'll do the same thing. What I will do is I'll again type li and plot/li. I will again type li. I'll type cast/li. Now, the reason I'm using li is using this will give me numbers automatically, right? You might be wondering that I can even do this. I can type 1 and I can type plot, and I can use br, I can use 2, I can use music, use br. So this can be done, right? Like this can be done. 3,
Yeah.
I'll type something again, like let's say this music for a while. Do this br. So why do we have to use li? Let us say this is dance, and let us say this is actors, cast, right? Now let us say you want to add something at after like number 2. At number 3, you don't want dance. Let's say you want directors. Okay. So now you have to come down and change this and make it 4. Make this as 5. So if there are like 50 items, you have to change all your numbers, right? If you have to insert something in between.
Yeah.
Understanding? Just now I added 3. So I had to like change this. 4 became 5, 5 became 4 became 5, 3 became 4, and this became 3. So before how it was? It was like 3, 4. I add it. We have 2 3s now. So this has to become 4 and this has to become 5. Correct? So
Yeah.
this is very small, so it is doable. Fine. But what if you have a list of 100 items, 50 items? And if you want to change something at number 2 or number 3, you have to change all the 47 numbers. It is very tedious, too hectic, and is donkey work. So that is why we do not prefer doing this. Instead, what we do is we use li. So look at this. I have the proper numbers. I have like music, plot, and cast. If I add something at number 2, let us say, what was that again? Directors, na? So you can see that directors will automatically come at number 2. Right? I didn't have to change a thing. I had to just change the position. Now see, cast is 4. I can bring cast at 1. I'll cut this. I'll bring it at the first position, and my cast is number 1. See, 1 is cast,
Yeah.
4 is music. I don't have to change anything. They're all replaced automatically, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, so that is why we have OL and LI. OL is ordered list, LI is list item. And again, please keep a track of the way I'm opening and closing them. My ordered list starts here and it ends over here, so I'm stopping it. Now, similarly, you can see in my output I have actors list of my actors. So what I will do, I'll it is almost the same. Like instead of contents, we have actors, and instead of numbers, we have bullet points, right? Instead of numbers, we
Mm.
have bullet points. So how do I do that? It's pretty simple. It's actually similar. So I'll again go ahead. I'll make a p tag, p/p. I'm using a paragraph tag for the heading. Not really a paragraph, but yeah, b/b. And then inside my bold, I have, let us say italic this time, bold and italics, /i. Right? So that was my actors, right? In the output, you can see I have actors over here. It looks like that. So now I'll again come outside. I'll come inside this here. I'm still in my p tag. Okay, remember, like if I do the indentation right, so it's like this. You can see p hai, p ke andar we have this, and then ol. Inside ol we have li, and so on. Right? Okay.
Yeah.
Now actors. We have actors. After that, instead of ol, I will take ul/ul. What is UL? Unordered list. Ordered is O, right? Ordered
Yeah.
list. We have an order. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. UL is unordered list. We do not have an order. Oh my god, my webcam is off from so long. I'm so sorry. I noticed it now. Like after rejoining my webcam has been off. I'm so sorry. My Yep. Yeah. Notice it now. Okay, UL. I have my UL, and in my UL, I can start adding the items. I can type LI, and what was the name again? Robert Downey Jr., Scarlett Johansson, Chris Evans. I'll just copy paste their names. Doing this will actually print them all in the same line. So I have to do something like LI. I have to open a list item at the start, and I have to close a list item at the end. Open and slash LI. Open and slash li. Open and slash li. With that, my content is done. I am satisfied with my content. I don't want to add anything else, right? Of course, if you want to add more, like let us say you want to add something like dance or VFX over here, you can add VFX, anything, right? Whatever you want to add, you can go ahead. You are free to add. It is your website. You can add whatever you want. You can add 10 more paragraphs over here if you want, and you can add 100 more links over here if you want. Like you see in the Wikipedia page, किधर गया मेरा history? हाँ. You can see that a lot of links like Marvel Studios, Walt Disney Studio. They are all done like this only. Like Chris Evans. If I click on Chris Evans, his profile is going to appear. So what you can do, I'll click on this link. Let's say click on this link. So it's taking me to this link over here. So what I'll do, I'll copy that. I'll come to my program. Where was Chris Evans again? Chris Evans, Chris Hemsworth, Chris Evans. Right. So what I'll do, I'll open an anchor tag. Chris Evans. This was the text, right? This text was a link. Now over here, what I will do, I'll come here and I'll put
HRF.
href. Yes, that's absolutely correct. And I'm going to paste the link. So you can see that Chris Evans is also, underlined over here now.
Yeah.
Might not be like visible. Let me zoom it. You can see now this Chris Evans. So if I click on Chris Evans, you can see it's taking me to the same web page. So you can add your links anywhere as long as you're properly using your closing and opening tags. It's possible to open your link anywhere, add a link anywhere, and you can add as many as these tags that you want. Right now, chalo. Do you have any questions, Noble?
No.
All good. Everything is clear.
Yeah.
Very well. So Noble, I want you to code this now. This is the remaining part. This is the remaining part. I want you to code it.
I'll share.
Yeah.
You see
I
it?
think you are sharing. Yeah, I can see your screen now. If you want, I can share the links with you, like the YouTube video link and everything in the
No,
chat
I got it.
box.
I have it. I have it.
Okay, great. Very good. You're fast. That's nice. You can use double
First,
quotes. Yeah, you have to use double quotes for that.
double quote.
Yes.
My PC, everything is different. In my laptop,
Okay.
so we have to find out which one.
Uh, no. Array is usually present with the single quotes. Yeah, it's like if you press the same button with shift, like press shift and press the same button, it'll open. Like
For
you'll have
me,
double quotes.
oh, okay. For me, it comes this. So I'll try with the opposite one. There.
Yeah.
For
That
me, I have
we
to
are
press
going to be
shift
using this
plus
a lot.
two. For me, I have
Oh,
to press
okay.
shift plus two. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Right. I understand. Very well. Um, Now
So now the
we have
link.
to paste the link.
Copy, paste, and
Yeah.
then
Close the No, no, no.
Dash.
See, you are giving the opening bracket, right? You have to even give the closing bracket for your anchor tag, opening anchor tag.
Oh,
Not after, not there. After the link, you have to give it. After the link is done, after double quotes, you have to give it. Yeah, over
here.
there. Yes, yes. Now in between that, you can type the text that you want.
Wait, I can't see it down.
1 minute. Yeah, there. No, you can't see it because you have to just add a text now. Like click here, click on me, or was the
Oh,
trailer over here? Yeah, type there now. Type there.
inside this.
Yes, yes. Click here to watch the trailer.
Yeah, now I'll be able to see it.
Yes.
Yeah,
It will get refreshed automatically. Yeah, you can see there. Wait a minute. Don't click on the link. First, save the project. I'll tell you. Save the project.
save.
Save. Give it a name. Give it a name. I think you have to log in. Yeah, log
Yeah,
in. You'll not lose the progress. Don't worry. Log in, karo.
I need to sign up.
Oh, okay. Go ahead. Sign up.
Hmm, I'll just give some random.
Okay.
Wait,
You have to pick a username that is unique. You can use the email ID ka start, like whatever you have at the start of your email ID, you can use that.
hmm,
It's usually unique, the start of your email ID. Try using numbers.
everything is gone.
Ah boy. What's your
Hmm,
surname though? Like, what's your surname? Like,
my surname.
yeah,
It's Kadukatra.
okay. Try using Noble K and okay, Kadukatra. Noble K and like some number. A number that you can remember actually. It's not taken. You proceed. Do one thing. Like choose a password. I'm pretty sure like no one has Noble K 2008. It's showing that the username is already taken. Please choose another. Type something random. Tell me. I'll like anything on your keyboard. Just type anything on your keyboard. If it's still showing that, then there is some glitch on the website.
Yeah, as a glitch on the website.
Yeah. So choose the username that you want. Choose
Yeah,
the
I'll
username
try
that
it
you want.
again. I'll try once more.
Yeah. Noble. Pick a username of your yeah 2008.
Now,
Great. 2008 is fine. Noble key 2008 is good. Yeah.
yeah,
Don't worry. It's there. It's available. Pick an email ID that is valid and remember a password that you can use every time you log in.
yeah,
Done. You can save it.
yeah.
Yes. Okay, done. Also give it a name called as Avengers. Give it a name called as Avengers. Untitled hai na? It's like untitled in the top left of your screen. Top left of your screen. It's untitled. Like give
Oh,
it a
yeah.
name. Now the reason I told you to save it because I'll tell you. Like save. Click on save now. Or Control S also will do it.
It's
Now click on
autosave.
yeah, it's autosave.
Yeah.
Now go down in the output and click on the link.
Oh,
Yeah, it's giving an error. Now, yeah, come back to the code. Uh, Refresh the page. Huh. Yeah, this will give you the output, I think. Refresh the output. Yeah, refresh the page. I'll tell you. Refresh the whole page.
Yeah.
Do one thing now. Scroll down again. Do a right click on the link. Do a right click. Click
Open
open
link
link
and
in
you
new.
type. Yeah.
Yeah. Now CodePen. This your code is absolutely correct. This is a glitch on CodePen. It does not allow YouTube links to open. I don't know why. Some websites work. Some websites don't work. But once you save the project now, over there it'll open
I'm
automatically.
stuck. I'm stuck. My yeah.
You can close the
Yeah.
YouTube video.
Sometimes my device gets stuck.
No problem. So keep on saving. It'll save automatically like once you have logged in. Now the
Mm.
last part is contents and actors. I want you to quickly do it. Chalo. We have a paragraph tag P. In that we have a bold tag. In that we close it. Close it. Continue. In
That
that
we
we have a
have.
bold. Yeah.
B.
In that we again have like U tag.
U.
That's your underline. Now we type the contents like the heading. The heading is contents.
And then slash
Slash
U.
slash U slash B.
And
Very good.
slash B. And then li. Li. And then comes actors.
Yes. Li. And you have
Slash
slash li. Yes. You have actors and you have
li. Then I
we have
have
music director.
music. And then slash li. And we have the slash li.
Yeah.
And then
You can
we
add
have
more afterwards. You can add more
li.
afterwards. It's fine. Okay.
Yeah.
Add it. Add it. Add this.
Slash li. Yeah.
Yeah. Now the next part is again we'll make up. You can do one thing and copy paste this. Copy the entire thing. I'll tell you from line 11 to line 17. You can copy paste actually.
Where?
Line 11 to line 17. Select everything. I'll tell you and copy it. Yeah. Copy that.
Yeah.
Now come down and paste it. Now that U is there, now make it as I.
I. Yeah.
Yeah. And the contents that you have now, you can make it as actors.
I have to change something else.
Yeah, yeah. I'll tell you. Don't worry. I'll tell you. Oh my God.
Yeah.
Even I missed out.
OL. We forgot
OL.
OL.
Yeah,
Yeah.
OL. Don't remove that. Just go there and add OL. After B, na open. After B, open OL.
Well, after that, oh, slash OL. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Now below we can add a U. We can add a UL below. And also rename the heading. Make it as actors and actor names. You can type there.
Yeah.
Robert Downey Jr. and Scarlett
Scarlett
Johansson.
Johansson. Chris
We have
Evans.
Chris Evans and Chris Hemsworth.
Not sure of the spelling, but
SAN, yeah. Double S won't like you don't use double S. Single S. Very good.
then Chris Evans.
Mm-hmm.
Mark uh,
Mark
Ruffalo.
Ruffalo. Yeah.
Yeah.
Great. Now I want you to add a UL over there, like an unordered list. A
Yeah.
UL. Not there.
Oh yeah.
It has to be like before your li tag. Yes, and close it after your last li.
Slash OL. Yeah.
Yeah. Also, have you closed your body and HTML? I think it is closed.
Yeah.
Oh no.
It's not.
Go up. You have closed in the wrong place. I don't know how it's still working, but it is working due to some reason. Scroll up, I'll tell you. You see a slash body and slash HTML there after p tag. Cut them both. I'll tell you.
Where?
Yeah, there
He,
on line number 8 and line number 9. Line 8
line
and line 9. Cut them. Select them and cut them. Come to the end. Come to the program's end. Now after slash p, paste it. Done.
oh no,
Oh,
I
I
forgot
think
to
you didn't cut
copy.
it. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Control shift. Okay, yeah, you can remove it. Come down, I'll tell you. Don't worry. It's gone. You haven't copied it. It's fine. After slash p, you can type slash body and slash HTML.
HTML. Yeah.
Done.
Yeah.
Save it. Now, I will
Sort of.
do the CSS part, but this was like supposed to be in your today's class. As a homework, I want you to first try out. I want you to try out working on the CSS. Don't worry if you are not able to do it. I will be doing it in the next class. Even if you are doing it, I will be doing it in the next class. So CSS is like kind of your homework. I want you to figure out. I want you to try out these things on your own. So like if you will do some mistakes and you will understand on your own as to like why this is not happening. So in the next class, when I explain you all of these things, you will be able to understand it more better. Right. So your homework is going to be working on your CSS of this project. All right.
Yeah.
Chalo. So yeah,
I
with
have to
that.
send a picture of it.
Oh no, you don't have to send a picture. I'll just check it out in the next class.
Yeah. Okay.
Right? So how was today's class? Like, Noble,
It
was
was
it good?
really good. Yeah, I understood everything about HTML. Next class, we're
Yes.
gonna learn about CSS.
Yes. Yes. I'm trying to take things like slow over here. I don't want to rush because I want you to learn. Like projects completion is not really very important for me. Your learning is very important because you understand one project properly, you will be able to do all the projects on your own automatically. Right? Learning of the concepts over here, the new things that you're learning is really very important. So let's not rush. Let's take it with ease and like in a slow pace. So yeah, with that, your class today is completed, Noble, and I want you to do your homework, and I will catch up with you in your next session. Also, please try to join on time. Like you were on time today, but you were a little bit late. I don't know, you forgot or
Uh,
like you're not used to the routine of
no,
joining classes.
I had some error, so I
Acha,
had
no
to
problem,
restart
no
the
problem.
PC.
It happens that sometime even I might be late because of some errors. So like that's understandable. But yeah, please be there on time. All right. Any more questions you want to ask me?
No, no more.
All right. Bye. Have a great day ahead, Noble.
Bye.